It's been about a week since Winter Storm Fern here in Virginia, and here is the aftermath. This is the snow in front of my house. It clearly has not melted, and if I try to kick the snow, nothing is happening. Literally nothing. Solid. It's like ice skating conditions. You could totally put on skates and like slide around out here. It's very scary. And the street is still completely iced over. Kids haven't had school for a week and a day, and they have a 2-hour delay today as well. So who knows how long these conditions are gonna last. Temperatures are still below freezing even over a week later, so it is going to take some time. Cars are completely buried. They can't get out.